الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam alaikum wa rahmatullah. We talked about the rules of clothes of prayer and the places that we can pray in these places. We told that before prayer we should get permission from the owner, and it's very important. If we work in office and we know that there is an owner, we should before prayer get permission from the owner. Even when we use water and we know that there is an owner for this special water, we should get permission, and after that we should perform wudu. In different banks, schools, universities, I don't know, offices that we know that there is an owner, we should get permission from the owner, and after that we should pray. Another point that we mentioned before, a place for prayer must be steady, as much as possible must be flat and smooth, and must be steady, no shaking, no moving, and so forth. But sometimes we have to pray in plane and train. How? For example, you know that when you reach the destination, there is no time for prayer. Then we have to pray in the plane, in the train. In these cases, we should try as much as possible. We should consider the rules. For example, we should pray toward Qibla. As much as possible, we should observe this rule. Pray toward Qibla as much as possible. As much as possible in train and plane, we should stand and perform normal prayer as much as possible. If it's not possible, yes, we can sit and pray. For ruku, for example, we lower our head. For sajda, on the table and something else, we can do sajda and use paper, for example. We told that as much as possible we observe and consider the rules of salat, because we know it's a special situation, and this is we are in the plane and we are in the, for example, train. Then as much as possible we consider and observe the rules. You know, salat is obligation, is wajib in any situation. In any situation, salat is wajib. Sometimes we do not have time and there is a church here or synagogue here, a temple for Jewish. There is a synagogue here or church here. Is it possible for us to pray in such places like churches, like synagogue? Yes, no problem. We can pray in church, we can pray in synagogue, and respect those places. We should be careful about if there is a najis things, we should purify those places, we should clean it, and our salat is acceptable in those places, churches and synagogue and like this. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.